a 4 or 5.
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
let's
this
go.
one. We're gonna be looking. Fuck, I put stump. We're gonna be looking in me zone.
Let's go
3,
now.
2, 1. Yeah. Okay, I got 2 here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Immediately, guys, clump them. Go. Let's go.
Okay, not bad.
Easy.
Easy class.
Yes.
Not bad, not
I
bad.
didn't do anything though.
I'm there in 20
I didn't
seconds,
do
guys.
anything.
Okay, okay. Again, we can engage, but
Yeah, we can. I'm ready. I'm ready to club.
We're gonna be looking in the outpost in 3, 2, 1. Big clump in the outpost. Big clump in the outpost. Big clump in the outpost. Big
Oh,
clump in the
yeah.
outpost. Big clump in the outpost. Please, go back south. Go back south. Throwing the Judy in the outpost. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know. Okay, we have the boss man. We can clear them. We can.
I can't.
Are they clumped on you?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Dismount. We're gonna be looking on MZ in 3,
I dropped.
2,
Right.
1. Big clump on me. Delete it. Nice. Let's go.
Nice. They got no healers.
Oh,
He's not dead. Okay, guys, post rock with me.
I used my second.
We're gonna look in the choke here, guys. In the choke. The choke is so big. In the choke, guys. In the choke.
I'm with
The choke. Let's go.
Nice.
Let's go, brother. I CC them with my E. I
In
love
the choke in 3. No, definitely.
Yeah, just wait.
go back. Stay,
Let
wait.
They're waiting for
Okay,
stay
we're
back,
gonna
come
be
back.
looking at the choke in 3, 2, 1. Going, guys. Very big here. That's
I'm here,
very
I'm
big.
here, I'm here.
That's
Oh!
very big, guys. Delete this.
Oh! I got the wall, yeah, they all
Go back.
Why? Kill them, kill this.
Doing the dirty,
Go
guys.
this way.
Coming.
Ignore them. We're gonna be looking in the outpost here, okay? We're gonna be looking at the outpost in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's huge! Huge in the outpost, boys. Huge! It's huge in the outpost. Huge! Delete this, please. Delete this. Let's go. Pull east. Help your backline. Help the outpost, okay? Bait them through the choke. Bait them. We're gonna be looking at the outpost here. Never mind. Look in the choke. In the choke here. In the choke. Hit this. In the choke, boys. In the choke, guys. Here you go.
I'm dive
Pull back
resistant.
north. Pull back
We need
north.
to rotate.
Yeah, just hold the here. They cannot come inside. Just
Don't
hold.
stay in central, don't stay aside. Stay aside from the outpost.
Okay.
Yeah, stay behind the crazy. Be ready to use your boots, okay? We can engage you when you see the crazy
Oh
engaging.
shit! They're engaging us. Oh my god.
Okay, we can make a Q on E on the chalk.
Yeah. Just wait until they come inside.
Just on the
Now.
chalk, now.
Yeah, I'm
On
here,
the
I'm
gate,
here.
on the gate. Okay,
Yeah,
wait. Come back. All you.
Yep.
Wait, we need to
Yeah,
wait.
they're all.
If there is no, just go.
No. Just wait.
No.
We have no call.
We're gonna wanna wait.
Just wait a bit. Just from the behind engage. Just Q and W, Max. Just Q and W on the behind.
There we go. Oh my god, this is so good. Fucking everyone.
Just wait your build. Go to outpost, please. Outpost. Just kill the people inside outpost. Kill. That's it. Just keep that outpost now. We don't engage now.
Thank you, Harpoon. Fuck, I almost died. I was outside.
Looks like they're gearing up again.
Yeah. Just wait. Don't go.
Just, yeah.
Don't go farther than crazy. Okay, you see crazy. Okay, stay behind. Okay, and on the chalk, the damage on the chalk. Now. All. I need all damage on the chalk. All.
Okay, engage. You got big cam on.
Don't go too far. Just go back.
I'm inside again. Just kill this one guy. Nice, he's dead. Let them come inside if they want.
For me.
Okay, go down, go south, go down. Reach now, we can, it's too spread, like. Go down south here.
Yep. There's some in the middle, just kill them.
Yeah, can
Two
use
people.
Q, just Q double, that's it.
Yeah, I CC them here. I use my E.
Yeah. Okay, it seems
I'm
like
dead.
fuck. Okay, be ready to use your E, be ready on the chalk, be ready to use your E.
Yeah. I use W2. Everyone is slowed. Don't let them come inside. Attack.
Just Q on the Q.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
E in the chalk, Now.
I'm CC'd. I cannot.
More damage, keep damage, the chalk.
Oh my god. Heal me, someone. Heal me.
The chalk damage, still damage.
Alright, I'm here. Oh, I'm good. Oh my god, guys, I'm literally one man army.
Okay, go back.
Yeah, go back now. Wait, time to leave, guys. There's too many of them.
Yeah.
We have lost
You
too many
really
soldiers.
need to get-
Leave. Come on.
Half full down. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Oh,
In the back. Go deep in the back. Damage in the back.
Oh,
Damage in the back, damage in the back.
Nice grab.
Nice check. Hell yeah.
Guys? Oh my god, I'm so good.
Dad, you're so good.
Nice jet here. Bro.